Hello guys, this is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. Yeah, and I want to believe we are having a powerful and a swift trade over there. And this is another trade that I just spotted right now, and I just want to show us the analysis of this trade before we ride it all the way down. Yeah, it's a fresh trade, as you can see. I just opened it right now and I dropped it on my group. I dropped it on the general group chat, and we want to see what this trade will deliver for us. As you can see from here to this place, that's 6 pips, that's 6 pips, or let me just say 7 pips there. That's 7 pips. So you want to use 7 pips to achieve 200 and what? To achieve 189 pips. Yeah, 7 pips to achieve 189 pips. Yeah, so let's see what the delivery will be. We can see what this one is. We can see this level here. So this is another key zone to take our first profit. So once it gets here, we take our first profit. Oh, sorry, when it gets here, we take our first profit. Once it gets here, we take our second profit, and once it gets here, we close our trade. Or maybe we just lock it and allow the remaining to drive and allow the remaining to do its thing. But notwithstanding, let's see what the outcome of this trade will be before I give us the full analysis. Yeah, this trade is going to benefit us. The analysis is going to benefit us, as I've already dropped the signal, what you people call the signal. I've already dropped the notification of this trade on the general group, on the general platform. So let's see what the outcome of this trade will be, guys. This is a wonderful trade. I mean, a wonderful trade, and this is what we do on this channel. My name is Michael, the selfless strategic trader. You guys are welcome. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Just know that on this platform we don't trade anything less than 100 pips. Yeah, that is our goal. All right, so this is a wonderful trade on EJ. EJ means Euro JPY. We took advantage of the weakness in Euro, and we actually entered some trades that give us a good profit, and they are still giving us good profit. We've gotten to the stage 1 of the first take profit, and now we are entering the phase 2 or stage 2 of the take profit. How many pips have we gotten from this trade so far? From up to down, that's 107 pips. We've gotten 107 pips. That is a wonderful delivery there. That is good delivery. Yeah, anytime we get to 100 pips, that's when we take our first partial on trades. Yeah, our first main partials. Maybe we entered multiple positions before we close some positions then, but the main partial is what is on 100 pips. Now we are going to take partials on this particular trade. How did I arrive at this trade? How did I get to know about this trade? How did I analyze this trade? Yeah, it's very, very simple. If you have been following us, you know that liquidity is always the order of the day. Anytime we want to take our trades, and we spot liquidity here, and this is under liquidity level, and this is under liquidity level up here. So we say anytime price, let me mark the liquidity level that we have on this trade for us, so that it will be very easy for us to spot liquidity levels on our own. We can see liquidity level right there. You can see liquidity level right there. Let me arrange it very well so that it's going to be obvious. Yeah, so we can see liquidity level right here. That's the liquidity level right here, and we can see another liquidity level up there. We can see another liquidity level up there. Yeah, liquidity is always the order of the day. If you know how to spot liquidity level, trading will be very, very easy for you. Trading will be what? Yeah, trading will be very, very easy for you. Look at liquidity level here, look at liquidity level here, look at liquidity level here. So how did I arrive at this trade that we are seeing right now? Look at this liquidity level. Price cleared this liquidity level, and if you have been following us, I tell us that anytime price clear liquidity level, price always do a retracement before it continues with the original direction. That is what price did here. Price cleared this liquidity level. After clearing that, it gave a retracement, created another liquidity level here, gave a stop on. Then after giving a stop on, it created a potential liquidity level here to be cleared. So it always creates a liquidity level in places. If you don't know about liquidity level, check my playlist on liquidity pool. Check the playlist on this channel on liquidity pool strategy. Check the videos, you will understand what liquidity is all about. Yeah, and how they take advantage of liquidity to trap people. Well, when you shout, oh my, it's my stop loss, it's my stop loss. Your stop loss is liquidity because it's money. That's the thing you call stop loss is money. By the way, I cannot be using this video to explain what liquidity is all about. Check the playlist and you will understand what liquidity is all about. All right, so we can see here, price came here and cleared this liquidity. After it cleared this liquidity, it gave us an advantage to us to enter. It gave us an advantage to enter. And I said initially, and if you spot something here, look at here, look at this place. This is another liquidity level. Can we see that? So it's creating liquidity upon liquidity, but you can't just say, okay, liquidity is here, liquidity is there, let me enter my trade. There are some things that we reveal to you which liquidity is an authentic liquidity. It's not all equal highs or equal lows that you will regard as liquidity. There are some other things that you put together to consider a particular level or a particular liquidity zone as a valid liquidity zone. And that's what we are going to be covering in our mentorship program. But the major thing right now is that if you look at this place, price came and cleared liquidity with this candle. You will always see one candle like a spike that always come to clear liquidity anytime liquidity is created. Look at this liquidity level here. Look at this red candle here. The red candle happened to be the one that cleared the liquidity. Look at this liquidity here. Look at this red candle here. The red candle came to clear liquidity. That's thing that you always say, it hit my stop loss, then it started going in my direction. It's not ordinary, guys. You can see this on this under liquidity level. Price came, cleared this liquidity level, and it gave a good direction, and that is what we take advantage of in all of our trades. That is what we target in all our trades, because we know price is all about liquidity. It's all about liquidity. Trading is all about liquidity. If you know how to target liquidity, it will be very easy for you to maximize your trading. It will be very easy for you to maximize your trading. Meanwhile, for you to start looking for liquidity zones, you have to analyze from higher time frame. You check the liquidity zones on higher time. The liquidity zones that you are seeing here, they are the liquidity zones that we mark on 1 hour time frame. It's different from the one on daily time frame. You can see this is liquidity. These are liquidities here. You can see under liquidity here. So there is potential, or there is probability of price selling up to this moment. Yes, up to this level, or maybe when it gets here to now continue buying and come to clear this liquidity. But for us, we can see liquidity level here. Price came with all this with this aggressive movement, cleared this liquidity level, gave a retracement, then it bought. But this is not the perfect retracement that we want for a liquidity level that is being cleared. It's supposed to come below, deeper than the liquidity level. Look at under liquidity level here. Look at what price did. Price cleared. After price cleared, price came back for a retest. Do you see that? So this place, price also cleared up, came back for a what? A retest. So once it's cleared a particular level, it will give a what? It will give a retest, then continue with its original direction. All the things are the things we put together that make you to say, I trade like this guy, strategic trader. He trades with $2. He trades with $1. You know, that kind of thing. But these are hidden secrets, hidden mysteries. All right, so we can see on 4 hours time frame, you can see the liquidity level that is very obvious on 4 hours time frame. Just the normal liquidity rule. Price came and clear, gave a retest. So after giving a retest, the reason why our TP level is around here is that we expect price to, after a retest, we expect price to go deeper, or below that liquidity zone. If price should come back here, you know, the liquidity level was cleared here, price came back to this place and it went, but we want it to come deeper. The retracement should be deeper. Look at the level I'm talking about. I don't want to be marking zones for us so that it will not be a waste of time. Look at the level I'm talking about. The price cleared. After it's cleared, it came to that level and it continued buying. But we want it to come deeper, in a deeper form. It may not come in 1 week. It may not come in 2 weeks. But I tell you that every liquidity level that is printed by price will always come back to that zone. We can see liquidity level here. Price will always come back to that zone. That is why we hold trades for 300, 400, 500, 600 pips, because we know that there are some liquidity levels that price is supposed to kiss. If price has not kissed that particular level, we can take buy, take sell, take buy, take sell. But during that buying and selling of a particular position, we are holding our original position that will make the liquidity level to be cleared. This particular trade now, if I like, I can just hold it for maybe weeks, and before you know it, it will end up being a trade that will give us maybe 300 or 400 pips. Those are the things we put together in order to be a good trader, in order to maximize our trading results. So if you want to learn all these things, my mentorship program is still here. It's still available for everybody. It's available for everybody. I will soon close the mentorship program, but it's not now. It's still available. Once I get the result that I plan, the numbers of students that I plan to train, then the mentorship program is going to be shut down for a while. But for now, it's still much and very much available. This is what I do. Wow, this is a wonderful delivery, guys. How many pips are we on this trade? Oh my. 291 pips. 291 pips, guys. 291 pips. This is how we roll. This is what we do, guys. This is what we do. You see, we were even expecting like the price to bounce back around here, but it still came all the way to come and create a liquidity level here. We can see this is a potential liquidity level to be taken in the future. Come on, what a vocabulary. This is a potential liquidity level to be cleared. A liquidity level to be cleared in the future. And we can see this is a wonderful delivery, just what we explained. Like everything we explained, price coming back to clear this liquidity, giving a retest, and anytime it gives a retest like that, we expect the drop to be beyond the liquidity level that we targeted, and that is what price did for us. We can see the same thing happen there. Price cleared the liquidity. Price cleared the liquidity. Don't mind me. I'm just like that. So price cleared the liquidity, and we have a wonderful delivery of 291 pips. This is wonderful. Like this is wonderful. This is wonderful. This is the kind of trade that you will take and it will gladden your heart. We can see the stages of the liquidity level here. So we still have the potential. See, we can see potential here. Look at liquidity level here to be clear. So this trade should even gets to this place, supposed to get to this level. This trade is supposed to get to this level. It's supposed to get to that level, like having like 400 or 500 pips in this particular trade, just one trade. This is how to catch it big, guys. This is how to catch it big. If you are not subscribing to this channel, I don't know why you are waiting. I don't know what you are looking for. I don't know what else you need in the trading arena that we don't have here. because on this channel we don't trade anything less than 100 pips. And when you watch our videos frequently, even if you don't subscribe to our mentorship program, there is this eyes of yours that is going to be sharpened. Your eyes is going to be sharpened to see the things we look for anytime we trade. Yeah, if you want to skyrocket your trading journey, that is when you can now be talking about subscribe for our mentorship program. But ordinarily, subscribing to this channel will help you to sharpen your eyes and to see what other people outside they don't see. Yes, what retail traders outside there, what they don't see, what they don't know. They are just trading breakouts and retests. Sorry to say, well, it's not that I'm making jest of anybody, but you know, it's where we've been before, trading support and resistance, and breakouts and retest, moving average crossovers, and all those kind of things. Those are just beginners level for traders, and those are the things that they put aside in order to make beginners a victim of losing their accounts. But we have grown past that level by the special grace of God. So you subscribing to what we have here will help you to skyrocket your trade. Yeah, I don't want to talk too much. I've explained this video, I've analyzed this trade for us before, and this is what we offer. My name is Michael, the selfless strategic trader, your #1 selfless trader. Join our Telegram platform, join our WhatsApp platform, so that you'll be able to know the things we do outside YouTube videos. And also, make sure you watch my videos on my playlist. Go to the playlist, check the strategies I have, the free strategies I have. Check my playlist on liquidity boost strategies. We help you to understand what all this liquidity and stuffs are all about. Yeah, I even use dictionary to define liquidity for us and how it's applicable to trading arena. So this is what you do. This is your guys. Subscribe, like, and leave your comment. Love you guys. Love you. Oh, this is what we do. I'm still coming back in the future to show you what the outcome of this trade will be. Yeah. Ooh, come on, this is what I'm talking about. You can see how far we've gone. It's really moved. Oh my god, oh my god, like it goes to the position I said it's going to get to. We can see it right there. You can see it's right there. Let's check 4 hours. Let's check 4 hours. You see it's the exact place I said it's going to bounce back, and that's where it bounced back. Oh my god, oh my god, this is what we do, guys. This is what we do. Let's check how many pips. 435 pips. 435 pips. Come on, come on, come on, come on, no. Come on. What else do you want? Oh my god. Well, this is what we do on this platform. If you are new, just make sure you subscribe. You can see how price cleared the liquidity level in that area, in that zone. The liquidity was cleared and it gave us a good delivery, a good delivery. Yeah, that's another potential liquidity level. Its price should come back there and give us a good continuation. Oh my god. So this is what we do, guys. This is what we do. My name is Michael, the selfless strategic trader. If you are joining us for the first time, you are welcome. Do well to subscribe and do well to drop your comment and like the video. Catch ya. God bless you guys.